Welcome to the Gadget Canvas. Get ready to explore a lineup of smart, coolest gadgets that bring creativity, functionality, and fun into your life. Let's dive into the world of incredible technology and innovation. Gadget number 1. LaserPecker 1 Pro Laser Engraver. Unleash your creative side with the LaserPecker 1 Pro Laser Engraver. It's a portable engraver that works on wood, felt, leather, and more. Create custom designs with high precision, and protective goggles are included for safety. Gadget number 2. Clocky Alarm Clock on Wheels. Are you a heavy sleeper? Meet Clocky, the alarm clock on wheels. It's not your typical snooze button friend. Clocky rolls, jumps, and runs away to make sure you wake up on time. Gadget number 3. Lumex lamp. Cancelled. The Lumex lamp was designed to light up your workspace and home. With double-headed LED lights, you can adjust color temperature and brightness to create the perfect ambience. Gadget number 4. AirSelfie S2 Flying Camera. Capture stunning aerial photos and videos with the AirSelfie S2 Pocket Selfie Flying Camera. Control it with your iOS or Android device and let it capture moments from the sky. Gadget number 5. Colorpik Pen. Copy and draw with 16 million colors. With the Colorpik Pen, you can scan and draw with 16 million colors. It features an RGB sensor, refillable ink cartridges, multiple nibs, and exclusive applications to ignite your artistic side. Gadget number 6. OATSBASF Car Phone Holder Mount. Stay safe on the road with the OATSBASF Car Phone Holder Mount. It's a gravity air vent mount, keeping your phone within reach and eyes on the road, perfect for devices under 7 inches. Gadget number 7. Move Speed Laptop Power Bank 130 watts. The Move Speed Laptop Power Bank is a beast. With 25 mAh capacity, it charges laptops, MacBooks, Dell phones, and more. The smart LED digital display keeps you informed. Gadget number 8. Automatic Electric Dumpling Maker Machine. Dumpling lovers, this one's for you. The automatic electric dumpling maker machine streamlines dumpling creation. Enjoy quick and uniform dumplings with ease. Gadget number 9. Bronzy Carved Constantine Antique Style Lighter. Experience vintage elegance with the Bronzy Carved Constantine Antique Style Lighter. It holds fuel for days, and its anti-leakage O-ring ensures no spills. Gadget number 10. ProtoArc Wireless Bluetooth Trackball Mouse. For a unique mouse experience, check out the ProtoArc Wireless Bluetooth Trackball Mouse. It's ergonomic, rechargeable, and designed for precise control on multiple devices. Gadget number 11. SDM ChargeTree Go Wireless Charging Station. Keep your devices charged with the SDM ChargeTree Go. It's a portable 3-in-1 wireless charging station for iPhone, Samsung, AirPods, and Apple Watch. Gadget number 12. JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan. Stay cool on the go with the JISULIFE Handheld Mini Fan. It's not just a fan. It's a power bank with long battery life and even has a built-in flashlight feature. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gadget reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.